A day in the life. It doesn't seem like much, but it goes by in the blink of an eye. How are you spending yours? Are you climbing to those vistas? Seeing the beautiful sights? Relaxing in the sun or enjoying the beauty of the rain? Making the ones you love laugh? However you're spending your days, make each one count. Live, laugh, and love to the fullest and find your adventure every day. There are only so many blinks of an eye or days in a life, so make the very best of them now, because one day